When you look in the mirror after 60, your skin tells a story. Lines from laughter, spots from sunlight, memories written in tiny creases and faded freckles. It's the only part of your body that's been with you every single day of your life. Protecting you, feeling the world, carrying your touch. And yet, one day you notice, it's changed. The glow you took for granted has softened. The texture feels different. You see time, and sometimes you wish you could turn it back. But aging skin isn't just about time. It's about biology, lifestyle, and care. And the good news is, science shows that much of it can be slowed, even partly reversed. I'm Dr. Amelia Hart, and today, we're going to uncover what truly happens to your skin after 60, why it changes, and what you can do, starting today, to make it stronger, brighter, and more alive. Your skin is a living organ, the largest one you have. It's not a wall, it's a dynamic ecosystem, breathing, healing, and sensing the world around you. It has 3 layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the soft subcutaneous layer beneath. Each layer plays its role like instruments in an orchestra. When they're in harmony, your skin glows. When they fall out of tune, the music of youth fades. After 60, that harmony begins to shift. The surface, the epidermis, starts losing its natural oils, those microscopic lipids that once kept water locked in. Without them, your skin becomes like dry earth after a long summer. Thirsty, delicate, craving moisture. Deeper down, the dermis, the layer that gives your face its firmness, loses collagen and elastin. These are the springs and ropes that hold everything together. Once they weaken, the skin sags, fine lines form, and gravity starts to leave its mark. And at the base, the soft fat cushion beneath your skin begins to thin. That's why cheeks flatten, lips lose fullness, and eyes appear tired. It isn't just time passing, it's structure changing. But here's what's fascinating. Scientists can now trace the fingerprints of aging back to the cell level. Every skin cell has a tiny clock inside it called a telomere, a protective cap on your DNA. Each time your skin renews itself, that cap shortens. Eventually, it signals the cell to slow down and rest. That's the biological heartbeat of aging. But it doesn't mean the story ends there. Because environment and lifestyle can slow that clock dramatically. The biggest villain is sunlight. Ultraviolet light slices through collagen like scissors through thread. It mutates DNA, breaks the skin's defense barrier, and creates oxidative chaos beneath the surface. Dermatologists estimate that up to 80% of visible aging on the face comes not from time, but from the sun. Every hour you spend outdoors without protection adds invisible years later. That's why sunscreen isn't vanity. It's prevention. It's medicine. The second major factor is hormones. After menopause, estrogen levels drop sharply, and with that fall, skin hydration and collagen production drop too. That's why so many women notice sudden dryness, dullness, and fine lines around their early 60s. Hormone therapy under medical supervision can help some, but so can nutrition. Foods rich in phytoestrogens like soy, flaxseed, and chickpeas gently support the body's balance. Then comes oxidative stress, the slow rusting of our cells. Free radicals from pollution, smoking, or even normal breathing damage skin proteins over time. When you're young, your antioxidants clear them away like an efficient cleanup crew. As you age, that system weakens. The debris builds up, and your skin starts to look tired, even when you're not. Inflammation plays its part too. A quiet fire inside the body that never fully goes out. Doctors call this inflammaging. It breaks down collagen, slows repair, and accelerates visible aging. And when combined with high blood sugar, it gets worse. Sugar molecules attach to collagen in a process called glycation, making it stiff and brittle, like fabric that's lost its stretch. And finally, there's stress and lack of sleep. Cortisol, the stress hormone, acts like acid on collagen fibers. Night after night of restless sleep doesn't just make you tired. It changes how your skin heals and glows. Deep sleep is your natural facelift. It's when growth hormone peaks and cells rebuild. So if you wake up and see dullness, puffiness, or uneven tone, your skin may just be saying, "I didn't rest enough to repair." By 60, your skin begins sending visible messages. Dryness that no cream seems to fix. Fine lines that stay even when you stop smiling. Brown spots that seem to grow faster than before. Bruises that appear easily on your arms and hands. These aren't random. They're your body whispering, "Help me protect myself." And here's how to help it. Start with sunscreen. Every morning, without exception. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, even indoors, because UVA rays slip through windows. Choose mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. They're gentle, safe, and effective. Then, retinol. The gold standard for renewal. Derived from vitamin A, it speeds up skin cell turnover and boosts collagen. It's the one ingredient dermatologists consistently agree on. Start slow, twice a week, then build up. A little dryness at first means it's working. Just moisturize afterward. Speaking of moisturizers, look for ingredients that mimic what your skin has lost. Ceramides to restore the barrier. Glycerin and hyaluronic acid to hold water in. Apply moisturizer immediately after bathing when your skin is still slightly damp. That's when it absorbs best. Your diet plays a bigger role than most people realize. Skin is built from the inside out. Protein provides the amino acids for collagen. Vitamin C triggers the chemical reactions that build it. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts, calm inflammation and keep cell membranes flexible. And colorful fruits and vegetables flood your system with antioxidants that neutralize damage. You don't need exotic supplements. A balanced, colorful plate is nature's best skincare routine. Hydration is non-negotiable. As we age, the brain's thirst signal weakens, so you may not feel thirsty even when your cells are drying out. Sip water throughout the day, and if your home is dry, use a small humidifier. Your skin barrier depends on moisture in the air. Be gentle with cleansing. Hot water strips oils and proteins, leaving your skin raw and tight. Use warm water, mild cleansers, and pat dry instead of rubbing. Treat your skin as something fragile but precious because it is. Now let's talk about rest. Sleep isn't just for your mind. It's when your body releases growth hormone, repairs tissue, and resets inflammation. Think of sleep as your overnight skincare treatment, free, natural, and irreplaceable. If you want to go further, dermatologists have safe, evidence-based treatments for mature skin. Microneedling, light chemical peels, or low-intensity laser therapies can stimulate collagen gently, but they must be performed by experienced professionals who understand older skin's sensitivity. And what about collagen powders and supplements? Research shows that hydrolyzed collagen peptides, taken daily for a few months, can improve hydration and elasticity. They're not magic, but they help, especially when paired with good diet and sun protection. Beware of miracle creams promising instant lifting. Most contain temporary tightening agents that make skin feel firm for a few hours. They don't rebuild the structure underneath. True results come from consistency, not illusions. Now, let's pause for a moment because skin aging is not just physical. It's emotional. It's about identity. Every wrinkle carries memory of joy, love, endurance, loss, laughter. You earned those lines. They are evidence that you've lived, but that doesn't mean you can't soften them, nurture them, and feel beautiful in your own reflection. Taking care of your skin is not vanity. It's an act of self-respect. It's saying, I still value this body that has carried me through so much. Here's a simple routine that works. Morning, cleanse gently, apply vitamin C serum, moisturize, and finish with sunscreen. Evening, cleanse again, apply retinol or peptide serum, then a rich night cream or oil. Simple, consistent, and effective. You don't need 20 products. You just need routine and patience. And if you ever notice new or changing dark spots, wounds that won't heal, or sudden skin thinning, see your doctor. Older adults are more prone to skin cancers, but early detection saves lives. Never ignore your skin's warnings. It's your body's messenger. So here's the truth. You can't stop time, but you can guide how your skin moves through it. Every day you protect, hydrate, and rest. You teach your skin to age slower. Every time you smile without apology, you prove that beauty has no deadline. Tomorrow morning, when you look in the mirror, take a moment, touch your skin gently. Thank it for decades of service. Then tell yourself, my skin is alive and I'm still its best ally. Because you are. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to 60 Plus Vitality for more science-based insights to help you live, feel, and look your best at any age. Because vitality isn't lost with time, it's learned through care.